Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, it's two lonely We'll Trash It Alls. Look at that one. That's a new one from 2023. And this is one from last year. But they're looking for their mom and dad. Let's go see if we can help them find them. Whoa, check it out. It's higher education. That's not their mom and dad, but that is higher education. It's a big bus and a little bus. Huh. Who's that right there? Oh, it's full charge. That's an electric monster truck. That's pretty cool. Whoa, hey, I think we found them. Hey, it's mom and dad. It's mom and dad. Check it out, check it out. Oh, kids, what were y'all doing? Y'all are gonna get in trouble. You better behave. Okay, we're fine. Let's go. Oh no, it looks like the basket's full already. Let's go and see if we can park them somewhere and find some more monster trucks along the way. Look and see if you can see any more. Do you see any monster trucks? There were definitely a few, but we're gonna put all these over here so that when we get done collecting all the monster trucks, we can find them. Okay, let's go find some more monster trucks. Whoa, check it out, check it out. It's Racing Stripes. Whoa, who's this? It's Chum and Get It. Hey, it's Chum and Get It. That's pretty cool. Whoa, is that a dump truck I see? Wow, check it out. Look at that big engine. It's got a dump. It's a dump truck. That's pretty cool. Whoa. It's Old School Gravedigger. That's so cool. Who's that? Oh man, it's the Thunderbus. That's so cool looking. Whoa, check out this pink and purple monster truck. It's Pure Muscle. Who's that? It's Aqua Stallion. That's so cool. It's a water monster truck. Check it out, it's Monster Portions. Look at that hot dog. Delicious. Who's that right there? Oh my goodness, it's Zombie Rex. Rains. Oh no, Gunkster fell over. You got gunk. Who's that right there? It's Hizzy Fit. Oh my goodness. Bread Boys, what are y'all up to? It's the Bread Boys. They're making sandwiches. Yum yum. Check it out. It's Chassis Snapper. That's so cool. It's a giant turtle. Whoa, who's that? It's Dragon. That's so cool. Whoa. Hey look, it's Strawberry Soda. It's Carbonator. That's pretty cool. Hey, we finally made it back to the other monster trucks. Let's put them all out here and see how many we found. There's Carbonator. Chassis Snapper. Gunkster. Hissy Fit. Wah, wah, wah. Uh-oh. Wah, wah, wah. Pure Muscle. Oh, it's Dragon. Got a Dump. Bread Boys. Chum and Get It. Monster Portion. Old Gravedigger. Zombie Rex, Aqua Stallion, Racing Stripes, and Thunderbus. How many monster trucks did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We found 22 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. We'll see you next time, friends.